Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a college email. Having a college email address unlocks a world of benefits. You can access exclusive student discounts on a wide range of software and services, often saving you hundreds of dollars. Many platforms offer free or significantly reduced price subscriptions just for students. It also provides a professional identity, enhancing your credibility for academic and career pursuits. Plus, it's your primary gateway to campus communications and resources. To qualify for a college email, you generally need to be an admitted or currently enrolled student. The first step is to check your specific college's official admissions or student portal. Some institutions automatically generate your email account once you're enrolled, requiring no further action from you. However, many colleges will require a quick, straightforward online activation process. Always refer to your institution's official guidelines for the most accurate information. Activating your college email is typically a simple process. First, you'll need to locate your student identification number and any temporary password provided by your institution. Next, navigate to your college's official IT or student portal website. There, you will find clear prompts to guide you through setting up your new email account. Remember to create a strong, unique password to ensure the security of your academic and personal information. Once you have your college email, make the most of it. Explore the vast array of academic software discounts available, often saving you up to 50% on essential programs. Sign up for student-specific deals on streaming services, technology, and more. Use your professional academic address for networking and future job applications. Most importantly, stay informed about crucial campus events, academic deadlines, and important announcements directly from your institution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.